Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to find out what happens when you apply toothpaste on your face for 7 straight days. For this I am using this Colgate toothpaste. So I am going to bring out this toothpaste. So this is the toothpaste I am going to apply. I should check the ingredients in it. Ingredient: calcium carbonate, sorbitol, sodium lauryl sulfate. So sodium lauryl sulfate is basically found in the detergent you use to wash your clothes. So I don't recommend you to use this on your face. I don't think it's good for your face. It's going to act as a cleansing agent. It acts as a cleansing agent in the detergent and other things. I've seen this thing in many other detergents and shampoos as well. So check when you buy. So applying toothpaste is not a smart idea to your face. So still I'm going to apply this toothpaste to my this acne, this big acne, which you can see I have many other acnes in my face, but I'm not targeting any other. I'm going to apply this over this big acne, which is going to surely going to give me a very black spot over there. So I'm going to apply this toothpaste and leave it for like 30 minutes or so, and then wash it. After 30 minutes I'm going to come and show you. It's not going to show any result in the first day itself, so I'm going to apply it for like 7 straight days and check up whenever it's possible and show you guys. So it's been a solid 30 minutes and I'm going to tell you for sure it's burned the crap out of me. It was burning like anything. Still I kept it on for like 30 minutes and I'm going to wash it and come back and show you the results. So I have come back after washing my face. So as you can see, it have not changed anything. I was sure of that it's not going to change anything, so I have to apply this repeatedly for 7 straight days. So see how it works. So I'm going to check on with you after next day, I mean tomorrow. So it's day 2 and I have applied this toothpaste over my acne, this acne, and I have applied over here also because I have the acne over there also. So I have kept it for like 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm going to wash it and come back and show you. So as you can see, I have washed my face and the acne look still the same. It have not changed yet. So it's day 2. Let's see next day. So guys, it's day 4. I haven't filmed day 3 as it was the same. So as it is day 4, it got a little bit down, but still I have applied it and I'm going to wash it right now. So I have washed my face and as you can see the acne gone a little bit down, but it is there and it's really painful. I don't know why it is painful. So it's day 4. 3 more days to go. So guys, it's been day 5. It's been a long 5 days. So it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to wash it off and come back. So as you can see, the pimple is there a bit is there, and the whole surrounding black spot is also there. So let's see. Yeah. So guys, this is the last day of me trying toothpaste in the acne I have. So this is a day 7. Yeah, I'm going to keep this for like a week. So this is how it looks. Obviously you can't see. I'm going to wash it off and come and show you. So I hope you can see. So the acne over here, it's really gone. There were 3 acne. I was trying the Colgate on this acne. So the thing is, it helped my acne, like it is gone. So as I have seen in many videos, like guys and girls using toothpaste to brighten their dark spot, to make their lips more pink, so and remove the tan from their lips, they have used toothpaste in their lips. So basically I thought like applying toothpaste for a week will not only fight the acne but also will get rid of that marks. But as I hope you can see, the mark is still there. And moreover, the toothpaste like this have, what does it contain? Calcium carbonate, sorbitol, sodium lauryl sulfate. So this sodium lauryl sulfate, it is found in detergent, the detergent you use to wash your clothes. You can go and check on your detergents. Mostly like Indian detergents have this. I have seen this: sodium bicarbonate, potassium nitrate, benzyl alcohol, sodium sulfate, lamic, and alkalic acid. So basically, applying this to your face is not a smart idea. I don't know, it works on your lips, your lips more pink. I'm not aware of that, I never tried that. But if it works on your lips and any other dark spot of your face, it should work on the skin also. Like the lips, skin of your lips and your face is different, but if it works, it should have worked up till some extent, but it didn't. So it's a lie. Overall, if you are applying this, it will make that area very dry. I have been trying this for like 7 days. So if you apply any makeup or anything sort of, it will give a dry patch over there. So applying this to your face is not a smart idea, but for you guys, I tried this out for 7 straight days. It fight with the acne, it dried it out, obviously there, but the mark is still there. So what's the use? Like the acne might have gone like in 7 days only. Like my acne lasts for like 2-3 days. I don't know it's for everyone or not, but my acne lasts for like 2-3 or 4, hardly 4 days. So if I have applied like any other acne like benzoyl benzoyl peroxide gel. I hope it's not focusing nicely. It's benzoyl peroxide gel. I hope you can see it now. It's 50 ml. It cost me rupees 70 or something. Or this Airy-Top. This is also in gel form. Like they fight your acne. So I got that idea. This Airy-Top. It's cost me rupees. How much? It cost me rupees. It's 20 gram. It cost me rupees 130. So I got that idea of that this is a home thing, everyone can get this, but applying this to your face is not a smart idea, guys. Like basically you're applying to like detergent stuff on your face. Your skin is really sensitive, is the biggest organ on your body, so I suggest you not to do this. So will I suggest you guys to do this? No. Will I do this again? No. So it's not a smart move, obviously. So basically I will better suggest you not to do this. The sun has gone down, it's going to rain. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video you will get notified. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.